So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to plot a sheet in AutoCAD, which is basically in layout. After you set the sheet in layout, what to do after that, right? So after that, process is a bit easy. First, you have to do is you have to press Control P or just write up the plot command, and you have to select this option that says continue to plot a single sheet. After that, select your print layout. For me, it is previous plot. The thing is AutoCAD PDF high quality print. So if you want to get a printout, then you have to go with AutoCAD PDF high quality print. For this particular situation, we are going with ISO A1, and after that, we you have to do his select window, then select this particular window that you wanna plot. Rest is right over here. Then you have to go to preview. You have to preview a sheet. It says if it is okay, then you have to press okay. If it's in this case, it is not, because I had done what is the transparency of these hatches were there, but it didn't came in plot. So what you have to do is, for that again you have to go with the same thing, and you have to select this option right over here, which is plot transparency, and after this it will completely perfectly plot the transparency that you want to go with. Then again you have to say layout one and say okay. Let's preview it once again. Hope it is selected right over there, and there it is. It is still not there. I have to select the option plot transparency, and I again have to do yes. Now you can see as the transparency of the hatches is right over here. So for now it is done, and it is well done. So all you have to do is press OK, and then save the document wherever you want. I'll say public promenade because that's what my project is, and just press enter, and your printing job is going on in the background. You have to close this message, and it will show you whenever the plotting is done. So that's it for the video, and if you found that this was interesting, then share it with someone who may need it. Yeah, thank you.